business, every second and every rand counts. Unreliable power isn't just an inconvenience, it's a threat to your bottom line. Since 2011, GreenSun has been the trusted EPC partner for South Africa's leading businesses, farms and homes with over 56 megawatts of solar installs to date. We do more than install solar. We engineer profitability with great return on investment, driven by a commitment to safety, quality and innovation. With our experienced in-house engineering, procurement and construction teams, we designed and deliver solar solutions that are as unique as your energy needs. With smart financing and solar PPA options, you can save from day one with little to no upfront costs. Our proactive maintenance and advanced monitoring guarantee peak performance and protect your investment. Invest in a sustainable, profitable future. GreenSun Renewable Energy, powering your success. Let's build the future together.